Hi friends, welcome. Today we have to find out value of cos 36 degree and sin 36 degree. Okay, so let's start. Let theta is equal to 36 degree. Fine. So 5 theta will be equal to 5 into 36 degree is equal to 180 degree. Fine. If we break this as 3 theta plus 2 theta is equal to 180 degree. Fine. So 2 theta will be equal to 180 minus 3 theta. Fine. So cos 2 theta is equal to cos 180 minus 3 theta. Fine. Now cos 2 theta is equal to cos 180 minus theta. So minus cos 3 theta. Right? Cos 2 theta will be equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to minus cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Fine. Because cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. Right? And cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Right? Now 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to, if we open the bracket, minus 4 cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta. Right? If we rearrange the equation, 4 cos cube theta, this, plus 2 cos square theta, right, minus 3 cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Right? Now 4 cos cube theta, if we break this as plus 4 cos square theta minus 2 cos square theta. Fine. And again break this as minus 2 cos theta minus cos theta. Right? Minus 1 is equal to 0. Right? Now 4 cos square theta as common. So cos theta plus 1. Here minus 2 cos theta. So cos theta plus 1. Right? And here minus 1 common. So cos theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Fine. So this and this and this. So cos theta plus 1 and 4 cos square theta minus 2 cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Fine. Now we have two cases. This equal to 0 and this also equal to 0. Right. So 4 cos square theta minus 2 cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Right. And this cos theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Right. So cos theta is equal to minus 1. Right. If we go with this, let cos theta is equal to x. Right. So 4x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Right. Quadratic form of equation. So x will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Fine. So x is equal to 2 plus minus this square root of minus 2 square minus 4 into 4 into minus 1. Right. Over 2 into 4. Right. So x will be equal to 2 plus minus square root of 20 over 8. Right. So this will be equal to 2 plus minus 2 square root of 5 over 8. Fine. So x will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of 5 over 4. Right. Because cos theta belongs to minus 1 to plus 1. Right. So this cos theta is equal to x. Right. So we can write cos theta is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 5 over 4. Right. As we have assumed theta is equal to 36 degree. Right. So cos 36 degree will be equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Right. Because cos 36 degree, because cos 36 degree is greater than 0. Right. As we know, sin square 36 degree is equal to 1 minus cos square 36 degree. Fine. So sin 36 degree is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square 36 degree. right? So sine 36 degree is equal to square root of 1 minus cos 36 is this, so square root of 5 plus 1 over 4 whole square, right? So sine 36 degree is equal to square root of 1 minus 5 plus 1 plus 2 square root of 5 over 16, right? So sine 36 degree is equal to square root of 16 as LCM, so 16 minus 5 plus 1 plus 2 square root of 5, right? So sine 36 degree is equal to square root of 10 minus 2 square root of 5 over square root of 16 is 4, right? Okay friends, thank you.